Nathan is a familiar name in the world of athletics, not for his hurdling or high jump, but for the hundreds of hours he volunteers. He volunteers on and off the track with Carmarthenshire, where he spends hours a week managing their website, including news, fixtures, results, and social media updates. Nathan can also be found regularly supporting events with Carmarthenshire, Brianna, Dyfed Schools, West Wales, and Welsh Athletics. Nathan is a thoroughly dependable volunteer, often the first to arrive at an event, and does not leave until all jobs are done.
Mae Clwb Pêl-droedri Daman wedi mynd o nerth I nerth o dan gyfarwyddyd unica, ac o ganlyniad i'w gweledigaeth mae'r clwb wedi derbyn a chrediad Platinum Cymdeithas Bêl-droed Cymru. Ym mis Mai, trefnodd unica gwyl bêl-droed mini gan roi cyfle I 186 o dimau I gymryd ran. Yn ogystal â roi amser i'r clwb, mae'n dod ag ymdeimlad o berthyn a theulu. Mae unica yn rhan werthfawr o'r clwb yn enwedig oherwydd ei frwdfrydydd dros chwaraeon a phêl-droed sy'n heintus ac sy'n annog pawb o'i chwmpas I fod eisiau gwneud mwy.
Bethan and her team at Ski for All give their time, energy and efforts to provide life-enhancing experiences on a volunteer basis. Bethan gives up at least one whole day each week to organise sessions for Ski for All Wales participants. As a successful charity running since 2015, Bethan engages in a huge amount of fundraising for the club. This year, Beth and her husband climbed a mountain in Morocco to raise funds for the club. Bethan makes a difference to people's lives, is tireless and unstoppable.